Echo and their line of high-performance, durable products for landscape professionals present this efficiency video series on using blowers correctly and working safely to help you work more efficiently with Echo products. To start, always make sure that the blower you use is right for you and the jobs you do. Handheld blowers work well for small, quick jobs. For larger tasks, a backpack blower is more convenient and usually more powerful. Echo offers 2 handheld blower models and a variety of backpack blower models to choose from, including some available with either tube-mounted or hip-mounted throttle controls. All have ProFire ignitions for quick and easy starts. With a combination of high speed and high volume air output, Echo yard blowers have the power to dislodge even wet grass and leaves and keep it moving. The PB770 has the industry's highest combination of air speed and volume to get your job done quicker and more efficiently. For comfortable operation, our backpack blowers have padded backrests, padded shoulder straps, and vibration isolators. The Echo PB770 also offers an exclusive vented back pad that allows air to circulate around you and keep you cooler in hot weather. And Echo offers the most certified low-noise blowers in the industry. Local ordinances may limit blower use to certain hours of the day and days of the week. Be aware of any noise ordinances where you are working and use common sense. Do not use loud equipment before 8 a.m. or after 8 p.m. When working, we suggest wearing safety glasses, earplugs or muffs, durable gloves, long pants, long-sleeved shirt, and sturdy work boots. In dusty conditions, wear a proper respirator to avoid inhaling dust. If you have long hair, tuck it under your hat or pin it up so it does not get caught up in the impeller on backpack blowers. Be sure to start with a full tank of fuel. Echo blowers need a mix of oil and gasoline at a ratio of 50:1. See the operator's manual for information on mixing gasoline and oil, as well as safety precautions. Plan a path around the property to complete the job efficiently in one pass. Always set the blower on the ground to start the engine. Do not start the blower by holding it in one hand and pulling the starter rope with the other hand like this. It can cause you to lose control of the blower and possibly injure yourself or others. Throttle up the engine to a fast idle for a few minutes to warm it up. To give you a choice in how to operate, most Echo backpack blowers come with either tube-mounted or hip-mounted throttles, and both Echo handheld blowers come with rotational control that reduces the effort required to keep the blower from rotating in towards the operator's legs. With proper control of the air velocity, volume, and nozzle position, you can avoid kicking up excess dust. Regulate the blower's speed with the throttle using the minimum amount of speed needed to lift and propel debris to reduce both dust and noise. Point the nozzle further away from yourself to minimize the dust around you as you work. For best results, direct the airflow at the edge of the debris to lift and propel it. Continue blowing along the debris edge and moving it to the desired location. Always maintain good footing and a stable stance while working. Walk forward as you work to avoid tripping, and so you can see where you're going. And when possible, let the wind help by blowing debris in the same direction as the wind is blowing. And never place your hand in front of the blower nozzle. Debris coming out of the nozzle can injure you. Be aware of others around you. Idle down the blower and point the nozzle away from bystanders. Never direct the airstream toward any person. Maintain a minimum 50-foot or 15-meter safety zone around your work area when working. Turn off the engine before letting anyone approach you. Also, avoid blowing debris toward windows, vehicles, and other property, which could be damaged by debris thrown by the blower. Never blow debris into the street or a neighboring property. Instead, create a pile that can be cleaned up and taken off-site. To keep noise down, avoid using more than one blower at a time. Most jobs require only one. As you work, check to be sure the blower intake is not covered or clogged with debris. If the intake is clogged, turn off the unit, disconnect the spark plug wire, and, with gloves on, remove the material. Keep a rag handy to clean off safety glasses or debris from handles. When you're finished, cool the engine by letting it idle before turning it off. Do not leave the blower unattended while the engine is running. Clear all debris from around the fuel cap and the muffler, from the engine cooling fins, the cylinder cover, and from around the spark plug, and check the air filter for clogging and clean it if necessary. That's it! Some do's and don'ts to help you work safely, efficiently, and more effectively with Echo handheld and backpack blowers. This program was brought to you by Echo, who reminds you to read the operator's manual or see your dealer for more information on using and servicing Echo blowers. Thanks for watching, and remember to work safely.